What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is doing well. And I know you like what you see on the screen. So go ahead and smash that like button. Let's start this video off with a thumbs up. Gold has been breaking all-time highs and silver is trucking along. So you're thinking about purchasing gold and silver for the first time. Here go some things I would like for you to consider. And there's many more. So as always, make sure you do your own due diligence. Do not buy all your metals at once. Don't spend all your money at once. And prepare to stay in this long term in order to see results. I would also like to add, invest in other avenues of investments as well. And also make sure you are allocating a comfortable percentage to other investment portfolios while you are buying physical gold and silver. So I am not advocating for you to be 100% all in on gold and silver. Avoid purchasing from TV shows, magazine ads, flyers in the mail. And if you go online, if there's little to no reviews, poor reviews, bad descriptions, poor quality photos, avoid buying from those sellers. Trust me, it will save you a headache. There's a lot of scammer and there's a lot of fraudulent activity out there. Something that's important is forming relationships in the metals community, especially with dealers, whether they're online or in person, and also forming relationships with people that are into different metals within the community, because it'll allow you to get the best deals on the buying side and on the selling side. You should always factor in how you're going to sell your metals. So it's not just buying your metals, but how would you sell your metals? So that is something to consider along with your game plan if you're looking to purchase gold and silver. Now, you don't have to be only a stacker. You can also be a reseller. You can sling weight, the legal way. You can become a wholesaler. And the benefit to becoming a wholesaler is that you can now buy physical metals at wholesale prices. Now, if you're not scared of the paper market, you can actually buy gold and silver futures, and therefore you can obtain gold and silver in the future market with no premiums. Just a way to act as an additional hedge and to be able to utilize that market to get a return, to make money. So again, some things to consider. Precious metals, the physical, you can buy for diversification of your portfolio. It works very well for that. Many people have figured out and factored in how physical precious metals can be a great way to save for the future. There's a lot of talk about the appreciation that comes with precious metals, which means that when inflation is untamed, you will also see that affect the precious metals, and precious metals can appreciate over the long term. But last and not least, just enjoy stacking. Enjoy your metals. Now, I know there's many more things that you can consider. So therefore, I'm leaving it to the community to drop your ideas in comments down in the comment section below. Let's have some fun with this. This is awesome. So if you're still here rocking with me at this point of the video, give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.